Hello guys, my name is L22 and welcome to the Jupyter course for absolute beginners. In this course we will cover a software which is called the Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab, which is dedicated for data scientists. And a lot of data scientists are using this software all around the world. During this course we will use the Python language. So if you are a total beginner with the Python and you want to learn the Jupyter, this is exactly the course for you. If you are missing some Python basics, I highly recommend checking my Skillshare profile, where you can see my other previous courses where I'm covering some Python basics. During this course, we will learn basic differences between Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook. I will show you how to install virtual environment in the Python, how to install libraries in the virtual environment, and I will explain you how is Jupyter used for the data science. During this course you will also have a small assignment, small project at the end, where you will be able to analyze your CSV file in the Jupyter Notebook. If you will have any problems during solving your project or understanding the material which I'm covering in these videos, feel free to leave a comment in the discussion or you can contact me also. Okay guys, my name is Michal Hucko and I'm working as a machine learning DevOps engineer in the company. For a couple of years I have been doing machine learning research, and you can find a couple of my research publications on the internet. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I will see you guys in the first video of this tutorial.